In this video, I'll show you how to open a second shop on Etsy. First, make sure you are signed in to your existing Etsy account. Etsy does allow sellers to run more than one shop, but each shop must have its own unique shop name, products, and branding. Many sellers create a second shop when they want to focus on a different niche or product category. Next, go to the Etsy homepage and scroll to the bottom of the page. Click on Sell on Etsy, then select Open your Etsy shop. When the setup process begins, Etsy will guide you through the steps just like when creating your first shop. You'll need to choose your shop language, country, and currency. After that, enter a new shop name that hasn't been used before. Remember that each Etsy shop must have a completely unique name. Then create your first listing, add your payment details, and set up your billing information. Even though you're using the same Etsy account, the second shop will have its own listings, branding, and shop settings. Once everything is completed, your second Etsy shop will be ready to start selling. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.